In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud storage platform that makes managing and accessing your files from anywhere a breeze. So let's dive in and see how you can easily upload your files to Google Drive, step by step. First things first, let's head over to Google Drive. Open up your web browser and type Google Drive in the search bar. Once you hit Enter, you should see Google Drive listed among the top options in the search results. Go ahead and click on it, which will take you directly to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so now on the Google Drive homepage. If you happen to have multiple Google accounts, you'll likely see a prompt to select one. Select the account you'd like to use, as this is where your files will be uploaded. It's important to choose the right account, especially if you have separate Google accounts for personal and work purposes. Now that you're logged in and see the familiar Google Drive dashboard, let's navigate over to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find a menu with various options, including My Drive. Clicking on My Drive will open up a drop-down menu which highlights the different segments of your personal cloud storage where you can manage and access your files conveniently. Next, to begin uploading your files, locate the button labeled New. You'll find it positioned toward the top left corner of your Google Drive dashboard. Clicking on this button will open another menu with several options. Among these, you'll see File Upload. This is your gateway to choosing files from your computer to save on Google Drive. Click on File Upload, and it will prompt your computer's File Explorer to open. With the File Explorer open, you can now browse through your folders to find the specific file or files you want to upload to Google Drive. If you're looking to upload multiple files at once, simply hold down the Control key while clicking on each file. Google Drive accommodates a variety of file types, so feel free to upload documents, photos, videos, and more. Once you've selected the files you wish to upload, click Open, and the upload process will automatically begin. You'll notice a pop-up at the bottom right of your screen showing the upload progress. Depending on the size of your files, this might take some time, so patience is key. Once the upload is complete, the files will appear in your My Drive section, ready for access whenever you need them. Uploading files to Google Drive is a straightforward process that helps keep your important documents organized and secure. Thanks to its user-friendly platform, you can ensure that your data is always a click away. Enjoy the convenience of having your files backed up safely in the cloud.